Good morning. I think I got a bit of a complaint. I was earlier reading and everything my Thompson Chain Reference by local church Bible publisher as far as the cover and everything, Anyway, as you can probably see, there's some pages that are stepping out a little bit. And that's in Psalm. I was in Psalm earlier. And this is not the first one to do it. The other Bible I had did the same thing, about in the same area. And I'm hoping the more I read into it, it'll kind of go in, kind of fall back in or whatever. But I think a page has got a crease on it, and that crease is kind of offsetting the other pages. But anyway, you can kind of see how it, right there, you can kind of see how it steps out a little bit. See, like a little, right here. So that's about where the ribbon is. But that ribbon doesn't have a whole lot to do with it being like that, because I can take the ribbon out, like so. Give me a Bible. Take it out like that. It's still there. So it's not as pronounced, but actually it is. It's got like a little page that's kind of wrinkled up or something in there. And the thing about these pages here, and this Thompson Chain Reference, as you said before, is a hand size. These pages right here are thin and they fold up real easy. And if you get them all messed up, they'll kind of fold up and kind of bunch up, So you got to be kind of careful with them, that way they don't bunch up on you. And so, other than that though, it's a great Bible. Just fold that up like that. Fold test. See? Ta-da. Calfskin. You do that with it right there, see? Bunch it up. Comes right back out. Smooth out with your hand. Same thing. Look at my feet. I'm hoping that kind of gets out of there, because I don't want to have a Bible that's messed up in this area here. You know what I mean? I don't want to learn pages stepping out. You know what I mean? I call it stepping out, but the offset actually. Yeah, I don't like that. Not one little bit. Now on the top here, it's still flat, and on the bottom, it's flat. But right here, is where you feel it. You can take your finger and rub it over, like so. That's no bueno, no good. I had another Bible that did the same thing, a local church Bible, and the one before that did it as well, but the somehow or another it kind of self-corrected. But anyway, that's one thing I don't like, a Bible with thin paper. It bunches up and it causes things like that. The paper in local church Bible publishers, they get good paper. But in this one, the block was evidently sent from
He doesn't care about proof. He only cares about
local church. shoot. I mean, not local church, but it was sent from Thompson to be bound. Yeah, I just don't like that. That irritates me to no end.